Part 2, MG-2 Nitrile Mechanics gloves. Yeah, I needed to pick up some gloves when I work on my car, and this is what I found after a little bit of research. People really recommend this product, so yeah, let's open it up, see what we have inside. Some blue gloves, very regular for mechanics, normal. I ordered them my size, but there's a few sizes available, you guys. They're also they're ambidextrous, so yeah, just they look the same, doesn't matter which one goes on which hand. Let's try it out. Oh, maybe I ordered a little too small. Let's see. Ah, no, my hands are small, so yeah, I think they work just fine. Yep, perfect. So far I like these, but do not use them with wet hands. If you try to put them on, this is what's gonna happen. I speed it up a little bit, but here also, whoop, a tear. Yeah. This here it's the second try, and it was successful, but it took a while. So I wanted to get something without the powder. I hate those powdery latex gloves, so yeah, these are powder free. Textured grip, let's see. Oh yeah, definitely can grip stuff easy. Yep, definitely. Ooh, and look, all the dirt. See these dirty rims from the brake dust. Look at that. You protect your hands while you work on your car or fixing your lawnmower or whatever you're working on. Get some gloves, guys. If you guys want to see me use this product, go to my other YouTube channel where I fix my car, I drive my car, and you definitely see me using this product a lot. So I'll leave the link down below. Check it out, guys. Stay positive.